This is a review of the mini portable flashlight DXXTSD-T001. It is a light which also functions as a USB charger. It has flashlight with low and high settings, low, high, and it has a light on the front which is either white or red or flashing red and blue. On the bottom there are two USB outputs, USB-A and USB-C. Both can be used to charge another device, although the USB-A seems to provide more current. So if I plug this in, look at that, it says 19 minutes charging left on USB-A, and if I use USB-C, "34 minutes. It also has a magnet at the bottom. Nice device, nice and light too. I like it.